Although most Americans have easy access to clean drinking water, we purchase 29 billion bottles of water every year and spend $100 billion along with 17 billion million barrels of crude oil to make these bottles every year. National Geographic says that Americans drink more bottled water than any other nation. With the emphasis on sustainable living in recent years, plastic one-time use water bottles waste and toxicity has become a significant concern. We should all purchase reusable water bottles like this to fill with water in order to save us money and to save our planet. Bottled water creates its own share of pollution. The production of plastic water bottles requires millions of barrels of oil per year and tons of carbon dioxide. I am going to talk to you about how decreasing the amount of water bottles and buying reusable water bottles will ultimately make pollution from water bottles decrease. Now, according to livestrong.com and the Container Recycling Institute, consumers recycle only every 5 plastic drink bottles used. Recent studies have shown that Americans use on average 50 billion water bottles. Wow. Each year. And climbing, though only 23% of the plastic bottles when finished. Not very many. This means that nearly 38 billion of those water bottles were trashed, leading to increased pollution and landfill waste. This also has an economic impact by producing more than 1 billion in wasted plastic each year, equivalent to 912 million gallons of oil. This could all be avoided by simply using green water bottle or a reusable water bottle. I have been using reusable water bottles for years, and I take them wherever I go. We're currently polluting the earth with plastic water bottles, which has a lot of effects. Now, as time goes by, polluting from water bottles increases because of the amount of people polluting the earth with water bottles. If we do not solve this problem, we will have no more landfill space. We will have to use non-renewable energy source to decompose the bottles, and the water will be polluted. To better understand the simple plastic water bottle waste per year, visualize it with me. Bottles lined up end to end in a straight line. It would wrap around the earth 190 times. Moreover, the plastic water bottles that were placed in the landfill today will take up to 1,000 years to biodegrade. If you've seen the Disney movie WALL-E, it seems like not too distant reality until we fill the earth with trash. Some research indicated that people drink bottled water because they believe it is cleaner, silly, or has higher quality and better taste than tap water, silly. However, that is simply not true. In fact, much of the bottled water is simply filtered water from your city near you. We should also point out that the U.S. public water system is regulated by the Environmental Protection Agency, the EPA, which requires numerous daily tests for bacteria and other toxins. Now, the results of these tests are publicly shown. Now, the bottled water you pick up from your gas station or just your local place like that is regulated by the Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, which only requires weekly testing. Of those results are not shared, none of those are shared with the EPA or released to the public. A solution to this problem is purchasing a BPA-free and lead-free reusable water bottles. By purchasing these water bottles, you'll be saving money. Water bottles can cost up to 500 times the cost of tap water. On average, Americans spend about $5 a week on bottled water. This means you can save $260 per year by switching to a reusable water bottle. Top brands carry a list of reusable BPA-free water bottles, ranging from $3 to $7 based on the ounces. You can find them at top retailer websites such as Amazon, Target, Walmart. Now, considering all the benefits of BPA-free water bottles, it is a no-brainer to stop using plastic one-time water bottles. In the article, Ban the Bottle, it says, we all have a choice to make a change for the environment, the economy, and our personal health. We just need to take the step and forward and ban the bottle.